This is a look at the genuine Gerber 98-115 O-ring and friction washer kit. It fits a bunch of different Gerber kitchen faucets. And it comes with the 2 friction washers and the 2 O-rings. The friction washers are about 1.5 inches overall, and then pretty thin, as you can see there.
What's that? Alright.
The inside diameter is right about 1.25 inches, and then the overall is 1.5 inches. Of course, these are the same size, but you can see there. The friction washers also very thin, about 1.5 inches inside, 1.75 inches overall, 1.5 inches, and just at 1.75 inches. And once again, this is the genuine Gerber 98-115 O-ring and friction washer kit.